The second topic is 3, 4, 5 triangle. What is a 3, 4, 5 triangle? We know many trigonometric values, but in physics we use 37 degrees and 53 degrees. So this is 3, 4, 5. If you check the logarithm book, this angle is 37 degrees and this angle is 53 degrees. Then, and it is 90 degrees. Then sine 37, opposite side by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Cos 37, 4 by 5. Tan 37, 3 by 4. Sine 53, 4 by 5. Cos 53, 3 by 5. Tan 53, 4 by 3. So what is use of these angles? And other than these, mostly we use cos 120 degrees. How much you know? Minus 1 by 2. Cos 180 minus 1. So if you remember these values, problems become easy. So 3, 4, 5 triangle. And how to remember the angles? Opposite to smaller side, small angle. Larger side, large angle. Like that also you can remember. Okay? Where we use in physics. Example. A body projected with velocity u making an angle 37 degrees with horizontal. Find the velocity at maximum height. Velocity of the body at maximum height is u cos theta. Ante u into cos 37. That means u into cos 37. What is cos 37? 4 by 5. So answer is 4u by 5. If you don't know cos 37, you are unable to do this problem. You are unable to do this problem if you don't know cos 37. There are two equal forces, angle between them 120 degrees. Calculate resultant force. Resultant R is equal to 2F cos 120 theta by 2 formula. So 2F cos 120 by 2. So cos 60 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means we get F. Same problem we can go in reverse way. The resultant of two equal magnitude vectors is also magnitude of either. The resultant of two equal magnitude vectors is also equal to magnitude of either. Calculate angle between the two vectors. So formula R is equal to 2F cos theta by 2. We have to calculate theta. They said R value also equal to F. F is equal to 2F cos theta by 2. So FF cancel. Bring to this side. 1 by 2 is cos theta by 2. So 1 by 2 you can write it as cos 60 is cos theta by 2. Comparing angles, theta by 2 is equal to 60, theta is equal to 120. Theta is 120 degrees. And if you take this example, a block is suspended with two threads. This one making 37 degrees, this one making 53 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Calculate the ratio of tensions T1, T2. It is M. Then tension is a vector quantity. Then it is resolved into two components, along this side, along this side. This angle is 37, this is 37. Therefore, T1 cos 37, T1 sin 37. How means theta side always cos theta. Remember like that. Theta this side. So this side component of vector is cos. So T2. Then this one component, this is one component. This angle is 53 because opposite interior angles. Then this is T2 cos 53. This one T2 sin 53. But when body is in equilibrium, sigma fx is equal to sigma fy. Ante forces along x axis equal to forces along y axis. T2 cos 53 is equal to T1 cos 37. Forces along positive x axis equal to forces along negative x axis. Therefore, T2 cos 53 required here. 3, 4, 5 triangle. 3, 4, 5. This is 53. Cos means 3 by 5. So T2 into 3 by 5 is equal to T1 into cos 37. 4 by 5. So 5 cancel. So T1 by T2. T1 by T2. 3 by 4. We got the ratio. So 3, 4, 5 triangle is one of the important triangle, and cos 180 minus 1. For example, calculate work done in rotating the magnet through 180 degrees. So magnet is rotated through 180. Work done formula mb into 1 minus cos theta. So mb into 1 minus cos 180. Cos 180 minus 1. mb into 1 minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus, so mb into 2. So that is 2 mb. This is work done. So without knowing these angles, so it is difficult to calculations. Okay, right.